how to get best coupon codes for Cnfans. The first things first is, of course, open up any browser that you want to use. Now I'm going to be using Google Chrome for this video, and then just head directly to your search bar and just simply type in Cnfans coupon codes. Now you're gonna be seeing multiple or a bunch of options right here. Now we can go ahead and take a look for the first two link or the first two results right here. So first things first is you can head directly to the Jade Ship's official website and you will be given a specific code. Now they have three different types of code, which is going to be the welcome bonus, the instant shipping coupon, the item discounts. Now, if you would like to have the welcome bonus, then you'll have to register and claim the bonus first. Now, for instant coupon code, then this is going to be your code that you can use for 15% off. Now, you can also try to use it from the Reddit website, which is going to be a one-time courtesy code. Now, all you have to do to register or sign up is to use this code right here, and this is gonna be the advantages or the specific rewards that you can use that code. So that's it. That's how you find the best coupon code that is gonna be working for CN fans.